Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video of Travel Tech. Now previously, about 1.5 years ago, I had made a detailed video regarding the Philips Extreme Vision G-Force bulbs on my Honda WRV. I had shown in detail how you can actually install these bulbs and what is the night brightness, the low beam, the high beam, all that stuff I had shown in my previous videos. So that was about 1 year to 1.5 years ago. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of these bulbs after using them for more than a year, about 1.5 years. So right now I am standing in the high beam of my Honda WRV Philips Extreme Vision bulbs, and if you can see the brightness behind me, so this is the high beam right now. And just in order to show you the brightness of these bulbs, I am standing right in front of my car. So let's just go ahead and show you the variations of the low beam, the high beam after using these bulbs for 1.5 years. And also, to speak honestly, my personal experience of these bulbs has been really excellent. My nighttime driving has become very easy. The visibility is very good now. The brightness is really sufficient, and of course it's not white light, it's yellowish white, so it does not hurt the incoming drivers as well. So let's just go ahead and show you the differences between the low beam and the high beam. Now this is a pretty much dark place where I'm standing right now. I'll show you that in a second. Once I turn off the headlamps, you can see how dark it is outside and how these Philips Extreme Vision G-Force bulbs are lighting up the background and lighting up the road. So let's just go ahead. So here it is guys, as you are seeing on the screen, only the white DRLs of the Honda WRV are turned on right now. I'll just go ahead in front of the car and I'll show you. So these are the white DRLs of the Honda WRV. Now only these are turned on both the sides and no headlamps have been turned on. So because of these DRLs, there is a white light projecting on the road, but it's a pretty much dark place. It's very much dark. There is no street lights, and the nearest street light is pretty much very far away. Now I'll just turn on the fog lamps and I'll show you the difference. So guys, these are the stock fog lamps of the Honda WRV. I have not made any change to the fog lamp bulbs. These are stock bulbs which are provided by the company, and in complete darkness, this is the brightness of these stock bulbs. So let's just go ahead and turn on the low beam. So here you go guys, as you are seeing on the screen right now, this is the low beam of the Philips Extreme Vision G-Force bulbs, and this is after using them for 1.5 years. And as you can see, the brightness is really good, but I'm not sure if the camera of the smartphone is able to capture the brightness very well, but on hand, directly seeing it, the brightness is really good. It's really fine and the visibility is really good. And if you can appreciate this, the brightness does look really good. And as I just showed you, this is a very dark area. There is no nearby lighting around. These bulbs are working very fine even after using them for 1 year and more than 1 year. So let's just go ahead and show you the high beam capability of these bulbs. So there you go guys, I have just turned on the high beam, and as you can see, the road almost till the end is lit up very well, and the brightness is excellent as I told you previously. And since this is a review video after using these bulbs for more than 1.5 years, I can say for surely that these bulbs really work well. And if you are someone who wants to improve their night visibility, who wants to improve their ease of driving at night, I think you guys should go ahead and buy these bulbs as well, because these work really well. Especially if you are someone who drives a lot at night, these are the bulbs I think you should go for. And in case of my Honda WRV, these are H4 bulbs of 55 watts. So here you go guys, this is the low beam, and I just turned off the low beam, and these are the fog lamps. So if I just turn off the fog lamps, it's completely dark. So this is the fog lamp. So here is the low beam and here is the high beam. So all three work really well, and the visibility is excellent after using them for 1.5 years. So guys, if you are interested in buying these bulbs for your car, for your Honda WRV, or be it any other car, make sure you go ahead and click on the description of this video. You will find a link to purchase this in the description. And just before buying, make sure you check the socket type of your car. Doesn't matter which car you have, the Philips bulbs are available for almost all of the cars. Just check the socket type, just check the wattage of the bulbs of your car, the stock bulbs, and make sure you buy the same ones. So once you buy the same ones, there isn't going to be any issue and you can use them very easily. So that's it guys, this was the video for today, the 1.5 year review video of the Philips Extreme Vision G-Force bulbs. And I am extremely satisfied after using them. They have increased my ease of driving at night, and I just wanted to share this thing with you guys, so you guys too can make use of this and have a better driving at night. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and of course don't go ahead without liking this video. And if you have any sort of queries or doubts, you can write down in the comment section of this video. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching and have a really nice day.